video, I'm going to show you how to create a design for a t-shirt using AI. I will walk you through the best tools to creating designs for t-shirts, and I'm also going to show you how to turn your ideas into designs, and finally the steps that you should follow to put your designs into your t-shirts. So let's get started. So to start with the creation of my designing, first of all, I'm going to be opening my favorite designing tool, Kittl. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click the link in my description and create one completely for free. Once you're inside of your account, it's gonna look like this. And over here, the first thing that we have to do is click in the section of t-shirts over here. And now, as you can see, it's showing us some templates that we can use. And you can even go and filter them. So we have over here the colors for our templates. As you can see, we have a lot of options. Over here I can go and click green and it's going to show me options for this color. We also have different themes. So we have happy, yoga, whiskey, events, spa. It has a lot of options for us to choose. And we also have the styles. So we have urban and street, neon, graffiti, cartoon, the 60s. It has a lot of styles for us to choose. And in case that you want to select something more specific, we even have typography t-shirts, vintage t-shirts, funny t-shirts, cute t-shirts, and the list keeps going. So I can go and check the cute t-shirts just to see all the options that we also get. I really like these ones. I really feel like they're very nice, and we can also go and filter them from recent, the most used, and even the trending. So I'm just gonna go and click in most used to see the options that we get. So they are all very nice. You can start with one of these templates if you don't want to begin from scratch. But for today's design, I'm going to be creating mine completely from scratch. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to click in New Project. And as you can see, now Kittl tells us that we have to go and select a size. Over here, we already have the option for t-shirts, so I'm just going to be using this one, and I can click in Create. I would recommend that you always start with the element, so you can get a sense of the space available to add fonts or even additional elements later on. So now it comes the most fun part, creating our elements with the help of AI. And for this, I will be using Kittl's AI feature. And as we can see over here, we can go and click in Generate with AI. Over here, as you can see, it's already showing us the options that we have in this AI generator. We have logo, t-shirt, sticker, poster, social post, and even advertiser. So I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna click in t-shirt. Over here, we can go and select the subject of our t-shirt. So over here, I'm just going to be adding bakery. I would recommend you that you add your subject in very simple words. So as you can see, I just add bakery, and now we can go and select the styling. And over here, I'm just going to go and select my color palette. So I'm just going to be selecting pink and purple. And over here, you can go and describe your color palette. So I'm just going to go, I'm going to add pastel pink. And there we go, we already have our colors, and you can also go and select your style. This makes it very easy for us to generate the creation of our design. So as you can see, we have all of these options: grunge, cute, modern, vintage, retro, and I'm gonna be using cute. And now we can click in Generate Design. And as you can see, now it generates some options for us to choose. So I really like all of the options. It is very hard for me to only choose one. So I think I'm going to be choosing this one, and I can go and keep customizing. So now I already select this option, and to add it into my design, the only thing that you have to do is just grab it and drop it over here. So I already have it on this section. And now I can start to customize this design. And what I really like about this design is that all the parts of it are separate, which means that I can go and edit all of them if I want to. I can go and change, let's say I want to change the font of these letters, I can go and change it. And I can click over the font and I can click in text. I can go and select a different font if I want to. So we have all of these options that Kittl have available. So I can go and let's say I I want this one, the Atlanta one. And you can keep doing this with all of your options. So I can go and generate a specific image for my design. So over here, to create my image, I'm going to be using the turbo section of the AI image generator. And over here, I can go and select the image style that I want for my image. So I can go and click in show all, and over here I can go and choose the one that I like the most. And as you can see, Kittl offers a lot of options to generate this image. So because I'm keeping it in a black and white style, I'm just going to be using a vector style. So as you can see, we have all of these ones, and I'm just going to be choosing the cartoon one. And now we can click in generate image. And now the Kittl AI generate this vector for me to add into my design, which is perfect because it was exactly what I was missing into my t-shirt design. So I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna select all of them, and then I'm just gonna go and center all of my elements. And then just keep adjusting my elements. So I'm just gonna go and make sure that are very good centered. So you can keep creating images for your designs using the AI image generator. And another great feature that I really like about Kittl AI is that you can go and create your images based on a specific style that you like. So over here, you can upload a picture of a specific image to take inspiration from it, and then the AI will generate your items based on that style. So as you can see, I have few of them over here, so I can go and select one of them and create a different image. So I can go and I will select this one, and I can click in exactly same, create a cake, and I'm gonna click in generate image. And now it already generated this cake based on this style. But I think the first option is better, so I'm just gonna keep with this first option. I like it more. And we can even go and try it out, the same prompt but with a different image style. For this time, I'm gonna go and select the retro photo and see how I can add it into my t-shirt design. So I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna click in generate image. And as you can see, it generates a very amazing cake. I really like this option. We cannot go and add this one directly on our design. What I actually need is only the cake. And to do this, I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna click in AI background remover. So as you can see now, we only stayed with only the image of the cake, which I find amazing because with only one click, we managed to remove the background of the image. And it actually looks like a very amazing picture. I really like the end result, and if we want to add some realistic elements into our design, this is a very good option. So I think I really like it more with this image than with the vector style. So I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna delete this one, and I'm gonna keep my design with this picture. And another feature that I really like about Kittl AI is the color palettes. So we can go to this section of color palettes, and let's say that I don't want my design to be in black and white, that I actually want to add some other colors. And as you can see, I can click into these color palettes and it's gonna make amazing combinations that I can use for my design. So I think this one looks good. This one actually makes it stand out a little bit more. I really feel like I really like all of them, but I'm just gonna stick to the pink one. I think it also helps to stand out a lot, so I'm just gonna go, I'm gonna keep it in pink, but the other color I'm just gonna change it to black so it stands out a bit more. So I think something like that. I think it works better. I like it more like this. So as you can see, if you're not very good with combinations of colors, you don't need to, because with the color palette of Kittl, you will have a lot of great combinations in just a click. And now that I like all the elements of my design, I can see how it comes all together on a t-shirt by using Kittl's mockup section. And to do this, I'm just gonna go to the section of mockup over here. And as you can see, now it adds my design into a mockup with exactly the same background color that I had in my design. So it looks exactly the same. I have my t-shirt on black, and then I have my design over here, which looks incredible. I actually like it very much, and I can still move it so I can see where it looks better. So I can go and then adjust it over here if I want it bigger or if I want it smaller. I think like this looks great. I really like it. And I can go to the section of search, and over here I'm just gonna type for t-shirt, so we can see t-shirt black because it's actually the one that I need to, because my background of my design, it was black. But you can also could keep it on white because our letters are pink, so it's gonna still stand out. So I can go and use all of these mock-ups. So I think I want to see how it looks over here like this. I think it's a good mock-up. So we have it in the back of the t-shirt. It's following very nicely. I think like this looks very good. I really like it. And I can go and just try with t-shirt so we can see all the options that we have. I think this one is cute. I like it. So we can see how it looks. I'm just gonna go make it bigger. And you can see how the designs follow the shape of the t-shirt. You see if I move it around, it's gonna follow the position of the t-shirt. So I think like this. And it's looking very nice. I really like it. And I think it really fits well with the pink background. Both of them are very good. And you can even change the mock-up colors. As I said before, it doesn't really have to be black because we have our pink letters. So I think it also stands out. And we can even change this color. So if I want to make it also like pink or black or red or any color, we can keep adjusting over here. So I can go use this one, and we can keep looking into all of the options that we get with Kittl mockups. And I think it's a lot compared to the same ones that you can see in Etsy, on Amazon. These ones are very good options for us. I can go and click this one. This one also looks very good. So I can go adjust my design to how I want it to see. So like this, and it looks amazing. I really like it. So now that I have my mockup complete, I can click in download mockup. And now I have my design ready. I can even use it into my Etsy listing, into my Amazon listing, in whatever you want to use this mockup. It looks amazing, and we can see all the parts together of our design in the t-shirt. You can start using Kittl completely for free, but you will only get 20 credits for your AI creations. Otherwise, you can sign up for a paid plan. With the Pro version, you will get 200 AI credits a month, and with the Expert plan, you will get 600 AI credits per month. And I have great news for you. You can use my special code to get a 25% discount on your first month or even on your first year. And that's it. If you want to learn how to create stickers to sell on Etsy, you can check out my video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video. Have a great day.